It was 4 a.m., April 23rd, and here I am just driving down the street. The next thing you know, I was getting hit. Pre-injury, boy, I was playing football every weekend, working out 4 or 5 times a week. In fact, I was on my way to the gym when the accident took place. A 72-year-old man had T-boned me. He took my car right off the road, almost folded it in half. I had emergency spinal fusion the morning of the accident to fix 3 or 4 broken vertebrae in my spine, also to alleviate the pressure on my spinal cord. Had it not been for Dr. Hood being there, I'm not too sure, first of all, if the surgery would have been performed correctly, but also I'm not too sure I wouldn't be paralyzed. So I think about Dr. Hood not being there all the time. Clearly knows what he's doing, so yeah, I'm very happy about that. You know, you gotta keep a positive outlook. For me, I just told myself, you know, things happen to good people all the time. I had a great surgeon, so that helps. And, you know, honestly, as long as the neck is healed, if my nerves come back, then no harm, no foul. I lost a couple months, but I'm alive and I'm walking, so it's easy to be positive then.